guys, now tonight we are heading down a place called Penbrae here in Wales. This place has got a lot of history, so where we're going dates back to World War One. So these bunkers were munition storage for the wars, where apparently a lot of people have lost their lives, so you never know what we're going to find. Let's go find out. Hi guys, now we've just arrived at these old storage bunkers. All this place is haunted, but we're just gonna go straight into them. Wow, this is big.
Yeah. These are the First World War.
Yeah, I thought it was the Second World War. I think the corridors
Oh. Nothing much of the corridors.
Right. Yeah, I'll double check. I think I've been here before.
Murphy. Is somebody bidding on eBay? Because that's all I can hear. All I can hear is somebody bidding on eBay.
Yeah, so on my eBay list. I think he saw a hand in
A what?
there.
A hand? This is a really creepy place. Can you hear that? What is it?
What was that? What's that like?
Try sticking this on. See if anything comes through. I can hear something in there. In there. In that room. Cursed. Cursed.
Who was cursed?
Where did the bang come from?
I don't know. It was just a bang.
Was
Just
it
like
like a faint one?
I don't know. I just can have a look in here.
could be. I don't know.
Oh. Is there anything I can think of doing? Oh. That owl, I just heard an owl.
Not that owl. Tell you what, if he gets red flag, I'm out here.
I don't know about that. Hello?
Right guys, so something really weird just happened now. So we were just walking back and something lifted up my speaker and just dropped it. Obviously I didn't notice it go up or anything like that, but I felt it drop. Right, yeah, whoever's here with us, you have no permission to follow us back home. You have no permission.
Not at all.
Yeah, that was really weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think there's seem to be anything.
Can I go now?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's.
I'm frightened.
Yeah, let's get going, guys. Weird. Okay, guys, so that was Bunker 1 in Pembrey. We heard some strange things, and it is a very weird place. We had no idea what those noises were, and I didn't have any idea who was tugging on my speaker. And we are planning to go back there, but next time, spending more time there, probably even the whole night. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.